and welcome to Adventures in TV Land. For today's adventure, we're going to try some food again. We're going to try a candy bar today. We're going to try the Mr. Beast Almond Chocolate Candy Bar. That's right, Mr. Beast. It's a beast, man. Almond Chocolate Candy Bar. Last week, we tried the Mr. Beast original candy bar. Now we're going to try the Mr. Beast Almond Chocolate Candy Bar. Now this is made with only 5 ingredients. The ingredients are as follows: cane sugar, organic chocolate liquor, organic cocoa butter, roasted almond chunks, and sunflower lecithin. I really don't know what sunflower lecithin is, but anyway, that's one of the 5 ingredients made in this chocolate bar. Also, wow, it's distributed by Feastables Incorporated in Chicago, Illinois. Interesting. So, let's try this sucker out. Open it up here. And like the other previous chocolate bar, there's a small piece on the top that says share, and the bottom piece says devour. Let's get that close there. See, share and devour. So I'm going to break off the piece that says share. Let's try this. See how it tastes like. That's a pretty good chocolate bar. Very smooth flavor to it. Better than the typical almond flavored candy. Very good. I have to say I'm quite impressed by the Mr. Beast line of candy so far, and the cookies actually. Mr. Beast burger is so-so. I mean, it was okay. Nothing great or spectacular necessarily, but the cookies, I've had the chocolate chip cookies. Now this is the second candy bar I've had. They've all been much better than expected and really, really good. So, yeah, pick them up. Now they are a little bit more expensive than just the dollar candy bar you might see. They're about double that, but I think it's worth the price. Well, this has been another adventure in TV land. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit the like button. Hit the dislike button. Subscribe to my channel for further content, and ring that bell for email notifications. Until next time, that's a wrap.